Step one, we'll read. I'll combine it with highlighting as we go. Pens and pencils are sold in a shop. 12 pencils costs £1.80. The ratio cost of a pen to the cost of a pencil is 7 to 3, and we need the cost of 5 pens at the end. We're looking at the topics. The topics are ratio, because we've got ratio here, and also proportion. Unitary method is also one. If you don't know where to start, then you've got the possible process down here that I've put to give you a guide. We're going to go straight into the question below. 12 pencils. So we're looking at 12 pencils. They cost £1.80. If we divide by 12, we've got one pencil, which equals 0.15 because we're dividing by 12 here. And this is actually 15 pence. In this case, it is much easier to deal with this as 15 pence. Then we're looking at a pen and a pencil is 7 to 3. Now, I really like drawing boxes for these. Any ratio question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are supposed to be equal boxes. These aren't that equal, but they'll do. So 7 parts and 3 parts for each pencil. We already know the cost of a pencil is 15 pence. And this is a part question, a sharing ratio part question, where the whole cost of a pencil is 15 pence. That means each part is 15 divided by 3, which equals 5 pence. So I'm going to put 5 into all of these boxes here. Every single box will always have exactly the same number in it. Then we look at the cost of a pen. So a pen costs 5 times 7 boxes. So one pen is 35 pence. And we need in the question 5 pens. So don't just stop at one pen. We need 5 pens altogether. £35 multiplied by 5 is 175 pence. Now that will work on the answer line. I'm going to transfer it because some of you might have put £1.75. Either is correct. Check you've answered the question. Yes, work out the cost of 5 pens. And then if you need to, if you think it doesn't look right or you've got time at the end, go and check your workings afterwards.